Hi everyone, my name is Amandeep Singh and my company's name is BK3 Studios. We're basically a podcast production company and it's a media technology company. We're building a software that does some stuff around podcast studios and podcasting in general, which means that I have to attend a lot of meetings. I have to create a lot of videos for our marketing purposes. Plus I'm a passionate podcaster, which again means that I have to be in front of the camera a lot of times. The best studio is the one that you have the easiest access to, which is of course the studio at your home. For me it's this, my room, my den. Behind me that you see, it used to always be a very blank, bland sort of a wall. I reached out to Hussain and I gave him the problem statement that this is what I am looking at, and within 2 days we finalized the design, we finalized the size, we finalized the quality of the paper, and the installation also happened in an instant. So this basically is a testimony to what Whirlwind Furnishing stands for: hyper professionalism, absolute creative sense, but most importantly he operates from that sense of trust, suggesting everything that benefits the customers. That entrepreneurship with authenticity is something that I really appreciate. Thank you, Hussain, for being so prompt. Thank you for being so professional. Thank you for being so courteous, and thank you for suggesting this beautiful wallpaper. My videos, as you can see, have turned up very lively from the dull, boring background. I highly recommend Hussain Chopdawala and his company Whirlwind Furnishings for all your interior furnishings related needs. Thank you so much.